motherfucker.
Put your
Harold.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kenny's host, and I'm back with another video, back with another reaction, back with another Duke Dennis reaction. You know what I'm saying? My brother Duke is going crazy, man. Hit 900K. So you know what I'm saying? It's only right there. I gotta show my brother some love, bro. Today we got getting girl's number with a flip phone in Miami. I ain't gonna lie, this is something different. Ain't nobody doing it like how you doing it, bro. Dude going crazy, man. Congrats on the 900K, you know what I'm saying? I'm on the way too, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna push each other up. We're gonna keep grinding together, you feel me? If you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get this shit rolling. That's fire. What the heck is that? 900K today, merch out. Oh, I caught the merch, buddy.
Hey, 900K, man. Today, bro. That merch out too, man. Link in the description,
I caught the D-ball hoodie and the red t-shirt.
Hey, the board say Q and Dirt not fucking nothing, man. Them is not gonna hit nothing while they in my head. No, not me. Hey, not him. This nigga, bro. Q and Dirt
my water.
not gonna
Hello. Oh,
hey, what you think, man? You think you gonna hit something while you down here, man? Think you gonna hit something? I'm just enjoying the scene.
Boy, your beard is crazy.
I feel you, my brother. I ain't hitting nothing while I'm down here.
Criminal.
Huh?
Smooth criminal.
You smooth criminal. You try to back up me last night?
I didn't mean to.
That's tough right there. Hey, look, man. Man, stop getting in trouble, man. Don't tell him what he did. Free my dog, though. You know what I'm saying? This right here. I need that right there. I need to give you one of these right here.
You're trolling.
God damn, baby boy. Hey, I just seen that video you put in my phone, man. What's up, my boy? I just want to spend some money, man. Hey, I just want to spend some money, man. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of bitches with this phone, with this flip phone right here, man.
Bro, no way he bought. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to do that.
Oh yeah, baby girl. Goddamn, dribble and shoot, baby boy. Hey, dribble and shoot, man. How many numbers you think I can get with this flip phone right here? With a flip phone.
Bro,
right
got the dreads, don't know how to react. That's crazy.
No, but you ain't gonna do nothing, man. You can't get no number with this right here.
Oh, I can't.
Bro, chat, bro. What the fuck? Well, you need some oil, bro. I got some oil, like, right there, you know what I'm saying? Nigga got holes in this shit, bro. Nigga got quicksand in his beard, boy.
But you ain't gonna do nothing, man. You can't get no number with this right here.
Oh, I can't. I think when you put them on out, they you might get about a good 10.
But look, I'm gonna secure the number first. I'm gonna, hey, you know what I'm saying? You got a boyfriend? Yeah. Let me get your number, type boom. And when they say yeah, I'm up. Oh, what the f is that? What? So I'm gonna pull it out, and then I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, hey, put your IG in there too. That motherfucker real? Nah, I just bought it for like $30. 30, right here, 30.
$30.
Ain't about 30. Oh yeah, you like that right there?
I was just gonna say the same.
Hold on, girl. Damn, she bold as shit.
Look, you on you.
My dog got some pretty eyes, man. Dog got some very nice eyes, man. Let me go get.
Why she pull up like that?
I was just gonna say the same.
Yes, sir.
Man, she bold as fuck.
Look, you on you.
My dog got some pretty eyes, man. Dog got some very nice eyes, man. Let me go get some numbers, man.
Man, it must be nice.
Hey, Chad, man.
Wait, are y'all taking a picture?
Nah.
Yes, bitch.
Can I take a picture?
Oh yeah, you can take a picture.
Bro got a whole hour.
You're not even taking my picture for real.
Yeah, he taking your picture.
I swear to God, he not.
Bro, you gotta really pose though, bro.
I am.
Yeah, y'all gotta pose. Yeah, yes ma'am, pose.
Did you really get it? Can I see?
Still going.
It's still recording. You're bullshitting. That's a video. This is real life.
Yeah, this is real life.
I thought that was a fucking.
Are you dumb?
How you doing?
Look at my head. That's what I'm on. If we're on YouTube, that could be on Snap.
Oh Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Get the camera, yes. You gotta get in it too. Come
The
on.
fuck?
But you can't be in it.
Yeah, he could be in it, man. If I tell he could be in it, man.
Not at all.
I love it. What y'all doing? What y'all get into?
Oh, we chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, matter of fact, I need your number, man.
You need my number?
Oh yeah, pull that flip thing.
You know what I'm saying?
That's your phone?
Wait. I got a flip phone. Y'all let me know if this is a W pickup line. Alright, and scene. I gotta get right. Listen, baby girl. You know, I'm a felon. I did a couple years. I did 5 months, you know, that let me out. Free my nigga, you know what I'm saying? He built me, you know what I'm saying? Shout out my nigga. Yeah. So, you know, I've been a felon, but hey, I might be a felon. But shit, it's the reason why I fell in love with you. So go ahead and drop that. Go ahead and drop that shit for me, baby. Babe. I know I'm a felon, but I fell in love with you. So go ahead, drop that number for me, sorry.
You gonna put me like that right there? Hey, baby, you gonna put me right there right there?
That's your phone?
Come on, your number or not, man.
Put that back up.
Put that shit.
Hold on.
You gotta.
It's a video. Hold on. Don't do it.
You know what I'm saying?
I was like, you don't need that. It's big.
But it's fucked up though, boy. You
That is
judging
fucked
niggas
up.
off their phone, boy, my dog is rapping that ass.
Damn.
You judging niggas off their phone though.
Yeah, I would have gave you my number still. Like, that's cool.
But niggas.
You have a touch screen?
Nah, I just bought this. I'm just doing it to see if I can, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Yeah.
It's not gonna work, but hey, that should have
I'm
been
already
video.
knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, I do need your number for real though.
You need my number?
Yep. What's your name?
Nicole. N-I-C-H-O-L-E.
No, I'm just gonna hit you with
Oh,
my
you
name.
gonna text me with your name?
Yeah.
Okay, do that.
Yes, ma'am. Bet. Say that, man. For sure. Nice to meet you, though.
She valid.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
What?
man.
Oh, yeah, I'm down, though.
Alright, bet.
Who the
Hey,
fuck?
look, man, Duke be working, bro. His story is motivational, man. That boy
Yeah.
came from the military, hustling. Now he getting back to his dog. You
That man
know,
federal.
all y'all boys got going on, man.
For sure, man.
Oh, yeah,
I
boys,
know what
for
you
real.
out
I
here
know a
doing. I know
story,
you out
man.
here going crazy.
You know, I
That hair crazy.
They be like,
I already know who you is.
You know,
what I'm saying? I know
get
you
the
feel
fly
me.
real quick.
Yeah, man, let's do this, man.
Hey, look what I got in the building, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on now. I would say do right, but that boy got the.
Oh, yeah, no,
I got
no,
the
man.
dread.
Come on
No
now.
more, man. You know
Yeah, that
what
boy
I'm
do out here. That boy
what you got going on,
though?
though? What you got going on? What you out here doing?
Hey,
I
man,
know what you
look.
out here doing, but I want to hear you tell me what you out here doing.
I'm out here working.
Okay.
I'm saucing. Then I'm finna go be in the Smash Pass and do what I do.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I do right here.
You think you gonna get pass or what?
They smashing. And look,
Listen,
I'm
man.
not just gonna get smashed. I'm bringing them back. I need
You
you.
actually smashed it.
Yeah. Come on now.
I'm with you. I be seeing you,
Yeah.
boy. You be going
Hey,
crazy as
man.
hell.
We all be working.
A
all
video
the
on
boys
a
be working.
video.
Oh, yeah.
Real quick, Instagram, all that. I know they know who he is already.
Nah, but
People
hey, but
don't.
my shit filming too, man. Make sure y'all go check out my dog.
Hey man, look, extra wavy, look. Remember the name. Remember
they
the
done
face.
seen you,
Be all
man.
over the place, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they done seen you, man. They done see you all over TikTok, man.
The W black guy.
Hey, this video gonna be so fire, but I need to learn how to keep my laugh in. You know what I'm saying? If I keep my laugh in and actually be with a straight
Bless you in
face,
the comment
whenever they
section.
say, bro, what the hell is that? I'll be straight with it, but it's hard though, bro. It's hard. I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna get it up.
Cause I do watch y'all.
I got my gift.
Holy shit.
What'd you say? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
I appreciate it.
Oh, you said what?
What'd you say? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I ain't gonna lie, these Miami bitches is on pressure, on demon time. Why can't these girls over here be on this shit? Man, the girls, bro. Y'all, the girls that I be seeing over here to be looking like these. Sometimes these.
It's good too, man. For sure. I'm like, fat man, I need to get your number or something, man. Come here,
Yo,
man.
put
Hey, look. Put your phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you have
go ahead, put your number in there.
Alright, man, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. No.
Bro, just do it, bro.
You can't do
Yeah, man, I'm doing.
Not the flip phone.
No, I'm trying though. I'm trying to keep a straight face.
Way.
I'm trying to keep a straight
Twin,
face.
bro. Come on now.
I'm trying to see if I can actually get, you know what I'm saying, female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
You
if
gotta
I-
be more serious.
If I start
Oh
laughing, I
yeah,
can
yeah,
get
yeah.
it.
She
Though.
fuck with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She fuck with the
Next time
grind.
I'm be straight up, nigga.
You gotta be like serious face.
Yeah.
She fuck with the grind.
10
Straight
times more
up,
serious.
straight up type
You
shit.
feel me? This is, you feel me?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
Duke,
put-
can I
put-
get your number type shit?
Yeah,
you feel me?
yeah.
And then
pull it out.
pull out
without
these.
laughing.
And then she start laughing, you be like, man.
Right, what the fuck you laughing
like,
at?
What the fuck you laughing
Exactly.
At? Give me your number, you either gonna give it or you're not gonna get it. Be like, I'm gonna find that nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Oh, word? Okay, bet. Say less. All right, bet.
W bitch.
In your back toe, like you're
Chat. Comment section. W bitch.
I know a better posture.
Fuck. What the fuck? Hey!
Dookie!
What? It be these, bro. It's always be the Timothys, bro. Like, goddamn. And it's a ginger Timothy at that. The fuck is you doing, bro? This is a grown man. You a grown ass man. And doing that shit in front of a grown ass man by another, bro. It's a grown ass man. You a grown ass man doing that shit in front of a grown ass man while a grown ass man holding the camera. And there's another grown ass man on the phone, but you lucky that grown ass man not looking at your young lame ass.
Dookie, where you going?
Hey, boy. If you would have tried to put your ass on me, boy, I would slap the fuck out you,
You're
boy.
not testing your limits.
I'm testing y'all limits.
What you is? He's talking about me, bro? You a pussy, bro? Yeah. Yeah, I want a picture with you, my nigga.
Thank you.
No problem.
Can I take a picture?
Of course.
Of course. Sure.
Okay. Yeah. What's up?
First, we take the picture with the famous guy.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Tell her to come here.
Amaya?
Yeah.
Amaya.
Yeah. Huh?
Sorry.
What happened?
What's your name?
Amaya.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you.
You too.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Shit.
Shit.
Wait,
Well, I know her heart pounding.
Yeah, but he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh-wee.
Or is that fan behavior?
Of course not.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good or whatever. What's your
My
name?
name Duke. What's yours?
Desi.
Where you from?
Chicago.
Oh shit, some Chicago niggas just walked out, man.
They was finna get down on your ass.
Nah, they was cool ass niggas, bro.
Was they?
Yeah.
You gonna take a picture with me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, wait. The bundles, you feel me? Forget a second. They are poofy. I was looking for you yesterday.
Oh, you were looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know, right? How long you out here for?
Matter of fact, man, come here, man.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
Come on, man. What you say your name was?
Desi, nigga. Desi. Say that shit
You got a
twice.
Daddy, you got a boyfriend?
No.
I can have your number?
Do you have a
What?
Oh, what the fuck?
Do you have a girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you
You
on the
feel
strip.
me? Yeah.
I'm in public talking to you.
I feel you now. I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm finna get that then.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta though.
Oh, goddamn. They say shit like that, don't they?
What you trying to say? I'm like country or something?
Yeah,
Type shit.
very much so.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Go ahead, pull that
Pull that motherfucker.
Put your
Bro, that reaction is priceless. Nah. That reaction was goat like. Whoa, she said these. La. That reaction is goat like, bro.
Yeah,
type shit.
very much so.
Okay. Yeah, man. Put your
pull that motherfucker.
Put your
Harold. Why are you looking like that, girl? What the fuck? It's just a flip phone.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on?
What you a drug dealer or something?
Bro, y'all trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to
Nigga, I can't What the fuck? Nah, I've never done some shit like that. Boy, I mean,
Goofy
Telefono? What that say?
Nah, give me the real shit. Fuck you talking about?
Not the flip, not the trap phone.
stop looking like that.
Nah, give me the
Your
real
reaction.
shit. Fuck you talking about?
You're a whole ass meme. Hey y'all. She might be in my camera roll, you know what I'm saying, for meme purposes.
The flip, not the trap phone.
Yeah, give me the real shit.
I was just fucking around with you, see what you was on. That's it, bro.
I
What the fuck with this girl? What the fuck? You want some clout? Oh, she jealous. It's tough.
I
was just seeing what you was on. God damn, that's it, man.
I know you ain't gonna text me. It's cool. Oh shit, I tried to say my name, but I text you to my name though.
Oh, she did on purpose.
It's Daisy. Daisy, say that shit twice.
I see you typed that shit twice. So just, you know what I'm saying?
We was looking for you.
Yo.
Oh yeah, really? For the matter of fact, yeah. What's up?
Oh, she's trying to. Oh,
Why
trying to get fucked.
Oh shit. I like that.
She on you. She on you.
What's up, man? You got a boyfriend?
No, you better
Okay, nope. Nope. Put your number in this right here.
Wow. Why she do that like that? She did that shit so fast. She said, bro, she said these. Hold on.
Put your number in this right here.
Where's my
Where's the actual?
Where's Phantom at?
It's right here.
Where who?
Where's Phantom at?
Yes, sir, man.
Where's Phantom at?
Hey, look, don't even worry, man.
I'm on Chris. What's that?
Hey, look, man.
Were you on Chris?
New York. So you already know the vibe.
Yes, sir. Hey, look, New York motherfuckers, some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome to the crib, man. All y'all should, especially you.
Especially her. Yeah.
But yeah, nah, I got you, bro. I was just fucking around. I just fucking around with you.
No, for real though. Where's my man? No, like where's Chris?
Hey,
Tell Phantom I love him.
Hey, Phantom. Man, she love you, bro. She really love you, bro. She came out here and found me for you.
Yo, it's crazy.
So I smoke a little hookies with you. Well, I'm Dominican too. I watch your video.
How do you?
I ain't beef with that nigga, man.
Beefing over Charlie. But what the fuck is that? That shit hard.
I was beefing over George.
It was about to go down.
Huh?
We switch that shit, bro. They be switching that shit.
They be switching it.
Man, somebody had to tell them to do that, though.
Hey, you really gotta change that.
That shit hard. What is that?
Hey, it's a little altercation.
Hold on, here, bitch.
You changed it not right.
You here? Okay. Hey, who are these goddamn?
I don't know.
Sound wild, man.
I'm working. Hey, look, I'm over here working, man.
Go ahead, do your thing. Damn.
But that's all it take, bro. Somebody start shaking their ass, the whole strip go crazy. But no bullshit, bro. Miami is just full of niggas literally chasing after bitches, like literally chasing after bitches. You see me?
You just chilling.
I'm not going up to no bitches, bro. I'm not saying that it's anything wrong with going up to hoes, but I just can't find myself to just like chase after them, bro. If they ain't coming up to me, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I don't give a fuck. Hey.
You just said, hey.
Hold on. What's up, man? My name Duke. What's yours? Where you from?
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where,
No, it's North Florida, South Georgia.
It's far?
Yeah, it's like 7 hours from here.
Where?
Yeah.
You got no boyfriend in there, right?
Huh?
You got no boyfriend in there, do you?
Nah, you got a girlfriend.
I'm chilling, man. You know what I'm saying?
Somebody
I wouldn't be on the strip, you know what I'm saying, talking to them type shit. Yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone type shit.
I didn't say nothing. You didn't, I just did a little look back.
You just made a little face, and you know what I'm saying, type shit. I just want, you know what I'm saying, nah, but when you leaving from down here?
Probably tomorrow. I've been here since Friday. When you got here?
You been here since Friday? Nah, I just got here yesterday.
Oh my God.
Yep. I'm about to see you before you leave then.
Yeah, we gotta leave.
Don't. I need a good picture, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, be doing the live chat. Hey, what a black one. I want a picture too. Take me a picture.
Exactly, man.
Oh my God. Where you from? Thank you.
Here around the motherfuckers.
Come on, take my pic.
How long y'all gonna be out here?
Shit till like Monday, Tuesday type shit.
What y'all doing tonight?
I'm trying to get into
Shit. Yeah,
I know I was looking for an old boy, but I want a fucking selfie. I don't want no picture.
Okay.
I want a video. I want to see the grills in your mouth, honey. To see if they
They
shine
love
it.
the grills.
But they be like, y'all know who it is. I stopped playing with him.
So what y'all doing while you're asking?
my homeboy throwing a party and shit, but what y'all got playing?
It's a week party. We didn't know what we wanted to do. Y'all know trying to figure out what
Oh yeah? I need to get your number or something, man.
where y'all from?
You say what?
Where your phone
On
is?
my phone.
That's my phone right here.
No, what's your number?
I'll put my number in your phone.
Goddamn 1-800.
Hold on. I'm not lying at all. I'm not lying at all.
But what?
I was just fucking with you with that. I didn't want to see what you was, you know what I'm saying?
I be playing. I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. You on that bitch, bro.
Ain't nobody going for the flip phone, man. There's gonna be one person that do that.
I get a bitch that. What's the vlog?
Hey, that nigga.
I already know. I mean, it's guys outside, no lie, bro. We just came out today.
Word.
We was here last weekend. Too active, so we had to come back.
Fuck is you talking about?
We had to like Monday, I think.
I'm here till Monday. I'm already tired of this shit, though.
Tired? Tired? What you mean tired? What you mean?
Hell yeah, you seen Kai?
Nah, I ain't seen him.
That nigga finna
I seen him last year.
He finna be on his way. This one I'm waiting on.
Oh, y'all already know y'all.
What's up,
All
bro?
right, man, I'm gonna let y'all. Y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice meeting y'all, boys.
So, my nigga.
Yeah.
Everybody running this.
What the fuck?
You know what, but in life, man, it's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, man. I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, take it. Well, you know what, boy? Everybody ran. That's understandable. I just hopped the fence, man. That's it, bro. I see you running too, nigga. Don't think I ain't see you.
Sprinting with the camera.
I know, nigga. I see you running, nigga.
Hey, when you see somebody run, you
just gotta run, bro.
Hey, where my homeboys at, though, man?
They going to be in it? Yeah, I saw them. Hi.
Oh, this bitch.
What happened? Going to be in
Yeah. She was in the last video smiling as shit, smiling hard as fuck. She back again with the high.
Yeah, I saw them. Hi.
Holy shit. You're down bad.
What happened?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
I bet you're a
Shit,
I'm sorry, I gotta give you another hug.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
I don't know, they said they started shooting.
Hey, where was you at, though? No, you wasn't. I stayed.
On my mama, you ran, nigga.
That's what I'm talking
On my mama, this nigga ran, bro.
But he gonna say on my mama like that, bro?
On my mama, bro. On my mama, I looked at you. You took off. You probably stopped. Yeah, you definitely ran, bro.
Count, right?
Oh, that Palm Angel go crazy, bro.
I don't know. I saw you start. I saw you start to go, and then you.
You start jogging.
Look. I did like this right here and jumped the fence, right?
I don't know. You jogged a little bit.
No, I jumped the fence to get out of the way.
Okay, but look, that's what I'm saying.
I
I see you. I see you goddamn start
No.
doing shit. So I'm like, all right, I'm in.
Look, right over here, I came and jumped the fence.
Bro, the
I saw
hoodie
him,
in
I said,
Miami's crazy.
"Shit."
Wavo, come on, man.
But nigga, I knew, nigga, I didn't. I stopped like where the queue was at.
I'm gonna get out my door right now.
All right, bet.
You want one too?
A Polaroid.
Oh, that's fire right there.
Oh, she know what she doing.
What y'all got going on later?
I think we ordered this party.
Word, I need to get
Another
your
hour.
number.
My number?
Yes,
All right.
ma'am.
Yeah, go put.
Hold it.
Yeah, man.
Go ahead, put that shit. Yes, sir. That shit
Yo,
work.
yo,
That shit even on?
yo. This it right
Bro,
here?
my shit don't even turn on. bro.
Okay. I'm gonna definitely be hitting you up.
I forgot how you even turn
Nah,
these shits
dead
on.
ass though. Dead ass.
Show.
Huh?
Show.
Show?
Yeah, show.
Spell it for me.
S-H-O.
Nah, I
Fuck with
forgot
that
how to
right
turn
there.
these shits
All I
on.
had to do was keep it calm, bro. What?
I said, this the one right here.
I guess I just gotta keep it calm, bro. I need to do a part 2 in Atlanta or something, right? Man, 70K for the part 2 in Atlanta, man. No cap, man. Getting females number with this flip phone right here is crazy. I'm not
I ain't
chasing
gonna lie,
after
finna do
females,
that shit.
bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting them come up to me, bro. They risen me up, bro. I ain't risen, you know what I'm saying, them up. But that's a lot of motherfucking problem, bro. Like, every nigga out here is chasing after the hoes, bro. So now you filling up the bitch's head thinking that they the shit whole time, bro. The niggas is chasing, bro. Just chill. You know what I'm saying? That type shit. Hold on, what you say your name was?
Dina.
Dina. Well, it's nice
You
to
do
meet you.
YouTube?
Nah, I actually just bought this motherfucker the other day, so I'm just trying shit out.
Hey,
It's a
Hell yeah.
documentary.
Where you from?
Michigan.
Word.
Yeah.
You know what? I need to get your number, man. Yep, put your phone in there right there, man. Okay. Oh, shit. You know what?
That was fast.
You are a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You ain't judge me at all right here. Yeah, man, nah, it's tough.
Is she nervous?
That's fire right there, man. You went straight forward, though. what I like to see right there, man.
This is my friend. This is my friend Pari.
I just bought this.
This is my friend
bro.
Pari. Okay.
Oh,
I look good. I'm a famous
Yeah.
TikToker.
Yeah.
What you be doing on
Pari
there?
the Brett. I be doing everything goofy.
Type shit.
Yeah.
For sure. Well, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, ma'am. Bro, why the fuck I come back from being on the strip? Me and Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks.
What? You said what, bro?
Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit. Hey, I just see.
You hear that motherfucker got no clue.
I'm sneak this and like a motherfucker. Oh no, ain't nothing wrong. Sharing is caring, but
goddamn,
we ain't even really ate nothing like that. They goddamn, she going in there getting 3-4 gummy bears.
Man,
the fellas tripping, man. Damn, bro.
Hey man, you know, well, so this was in part 2. What is part 2? Man, it's whatever, man. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna react to part 2 of this, you know what I'm saying? Might drop another video with the one with Kai, you know? It's your boy Kenny Sosa. I'm out. Yeah.